Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinay. I'm a UAE property expert. Today I'm here at Expo at Cityscape, wherein I'm gonna show you all the developers under one roof. So what does this Cityscape do? What does it mean? So Cityscape is a place, or you can say is a carnival or a heaven for all the real estate investors, all the developers, where they come up with all the good offers and their properties under one roof. I'm going to take you to all the developers one by one. I'm going to take you on the tour of all the projects over here. The Cityscape is from 9th to 11th of November, from morning 10 to evening 7. There are best offers. So if you're looking to buy a property or thinking about to invest in anywhere in real estate, please do visit this. Give me a call. Let me get all the arrangements done, and we will show you all the properties over here. Let me take you on the tour. Let's start with the Danube properties first. This is the first developer. We're gonna start from here. So guys, this is the first developer I'm visiting at the Cityscape. This is the Danube properties. Danube has recently launched this tower, that is Skies. This is the tallest tower coming up in Arjan area. Not only this is the most luxurious property coming up. The payment plan for this property is really good. It's just pay 1% every month. You have to pay only 10% for the booking, and rest 7 years you just need to pay 1%. Apart from this, if I talk about, there are only 2 installments of 5% in between. Rest every month you just pay 1% every month. Now the price starts over here by just 400,000. So if I talk about 400,000, you just need to pay 4,000 a month. If your salary is less than 10,000, still you can manage a property without getting any bank loan involved and any financial institute involved. These are interest-free loan. Now if I talk about the second project, what I like, that is ready to move property in Arjan, that is Miracles. So this is the Miracles. It's a fully furnished apartments they are serving. Please do visit Danube properties at Expo 2020 at Cityscape. Let's move to the other development now. So showing after the Danube properties, now I came to Diyar developer. It's a semi-government developer. Let's go and check it out over here. They have a ready to move and off plan, both the options, with a longer term payment plan. So we have a John with us here.
Hi guys.
This is Mr. John from Diyar developer.
Hi.
John, over to you. Just wanted to understand about what Diyar is offering in Cityscape. What are the offers? What are the projects you are promoting? What are the best projects from Diyar to buy?
No problem, let me explain. If you are aware of Midtown community, if you guys are aware of Midtown, it's a huge community of 24 residential towers, in which divided into 4 phases like Afnan, Dania, Noor and Mesk. So almost Afnan and Dania are ready, people are living over there. Only now, what our main focus is the Noor. In Noor, what we are coming up with a 5 years payment plan, in which the combination we have studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, studios starting from 570,000 dirhams, 1 bedroom and 800,000 dirhams, 2 bedroom in 1.2 million, 3 bedrooms 1.9 million, with the 5 years payment plan. Noor will be ready in December, yani Q1 of 2023. And in March we'll do the handover, in which we have a very attractive payment plan. Pay 10% right now, 10% in April, 5% in October 22, and remaining 10% on handover, which is in March 2023. Then until the completion of the property, you will complete 35% of the property value, you will get the keys of your apartment. Whatever the remaining 65%, that is post handover payment plan for 48 months, 65% in 48 months. So that's the best part about this one. And in this scale, we are offering 4% DLD waiver, complete 4% DLD waiver in Midtown, Afnan and Dania. In Noor, what we have, 2% DLD waiver, 2 years service fee waiver. So that's the best part about it. You can come and join us in Cityscape Expo 2020.
Thank you so much, John, for supporting us and guiding us about Diyar. Let's go and check it out. The next destination. Let's go. So guys, now I am moving ahead in Cityscape to a developer which is known for his quality. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Shobha Heartland. So I'm here at Shobha stall. and Insha is with me.
Hi everyone, I'm Insha from Shobha Harland. So this is my project, which is an 8 million square feet development, combination of villas, luxury villas and apartments. So we have low-rise, mid-rise and high-rise villas. Our location is just in heart of Dubai. It's just opposite to downtown. The most prominent feature of my project is 2 international schools, North London Collegiate and Heartland International. What you see there is Heartland Estate, which is a luxury villa development, and the water body which stretches all over my project is Crystal Lagoon. The two main projects that we have is Waves and Waves Grande on the waterfront. We sell because of our quality. Our competitive edge in the market is our quality. The way we construct, we claim our properties are temperature proof, climate proof, sound proof, weatherproof properties. As our DNA comes from contracting, we have a competitive edge in quality in the market. In 5 years, last 7 years, we've established ourselves as a best quality developer. We do have some very special offers for Cityscape and very good inventory for Waves and Waves Grande. For that, you need to visit us in Cityscape.
So friends, Shobha has recently launched a new premium property, new apartments on back on the Sheikh Zayed Road. I have Mr. Parth from Shobha. He will take us through the project. Mr. Parth, over to you.
Good afternoon. Yes, just to quickly run you through, we've unveiled a new tower by the name of S Tower on Sheikh Zayed Road, which has got dual views. One is of Palm and one is on Emirates Golf Club. And as far as the apartments are concerned, we only have exclusive 4-bedroom apartments priced starting at around 15 million onwards. For further details and for more understanding, we would request you all to come down to our sales gallery and have a detailed understanding.
So Parth, do we have any special inventory and any special offers just for the Cityscape?
Yes, we do. We have multiple offers which we've initiated today being the first day. It will go on for the next 2 days. So I would request you to bring your clients so that they can get the best out of these offers which we have recently launched or we've launched for Cityscape as we speak.
Thank you so much, Mr. Parth.
Pleasure, Mr. Vinay. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm here at Aziz's stall in Cityscape. I'm with Salma here. Salma is from Aziz. Salma, please take us through the hot selling project right now in Cityscape and also tell us about the offers in Cityscape. What all offers are there?
Hello, Vinay. I would like to talk about our 2 hot selling projects. One is right in MBR City, which is Rivera. It's right in front of Maidan 1 Mall. And the second one would be right on East Crescent of Palm Jumeirah, which is Mina. So let me take you to Rivera first. This project is with the Crystal Lagoon and the Boulevard. We have 4 phases, phase 1 and 2, 3, 4. The new launch is Beach Tower, right there, Tower A and C. These are hot selling project right now. Also, it's a mixed studio, 1 bed, 2 bed. Rivera is just 5 minutes away from downtown and Burj Khalifa. So let me take you to our next project called Mina, which is on Palm Jumeirah East Crescent. This is a luxurious project on East Crescent of Palm, right next to Anantara. We have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 2 very luxurious penthouses on the terrace. This is with the private beach access exclusive for Mina residents. This is in center of all the 5-star luxurious hotels, which is Anantara and Royal Central.
So Salma, can you please take us through the Cityscape offers from the Azizi?
We have exclusive offers valid only for Cityscape, which is going to be 4% DLD waiver, 4 years, 0 service charges, and also great discounts on the booking on Cityscape. So visit us at Expo 2020 at City Stalls. Looking forward to see you all.
So guys, can you imagine that you're getting a 4% DLD waiver, entire 100% DLD waiver, and you're getting a 4-year service charge waiver. On top of it, you can also get a best deal. Please visit Aziz's stall in Cityscape at Expo 2020. Give me a call to get a best deal. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, I'm gonna tell you something very unique thing about this cityscape, very good thing about this cityscape. This is not only for the Dubai real estate, not only for the UAE real estate, but this is also for the Bahrain. So there are international developers, there are different kind of countries who has participated. Yes, the Bahrain is one of them. So Bahrain has their own stall over here in cityscape in Dubai at Expo site. So you can see right behind me, there is a stall. This is a Bahrain stall. Over here at Bahrain stall, you have 4 different developers which offers you a freehold property. Yes, you heard me right. Bahrain is a beautiful country in Middle East. They also offers you a freehold property. So let's go and check out one by one what they are offering. So now we are heading towards the first developer at Bahrain stall, that is Granata. So we have a Mr. Ashok with us from Granata, Bahrain. Mr. Ashok, welcome to
Thank you.
UAE Cityscape.
Thank you, Vinay. First of all, my brief introduction. I'm Ashok Mehta. I'm attending Cityscape from Bahrain under Granata brand, Granata Group. We are part of Granata Group. Bahrain, as we all know, is one of the most beautiful country in the Middle East and one of the most preferred expat destination. Most of the multinational families, they have been staying very happily in Bahrain, and Bahrain happens to be one of the preferred freehold destination in the Middle East. Last 20 years, more than 2 decades, the freehold properties have been under development and people are buying it from outside as well as from inside. Now today at Cityscape, we are presenting Golden Gate under Granata Group. This is one of the largest freehold property in Bahrain at the moment and the tallest residential tower. 746 most premium apartments. So we are all proud that we are presenting Golden Gate to the world. As Granata, we are one-stop real estate company in Bahrain, very reputed name in Bahrain at the moment. We are a major in the land development, the valuation services, and with Golden Gate, now we have become a major developer in Bahrain. So thank you very much. Thanks for the introduction. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashok. So if I talk about, if you're looking for the tallest residential tower in Bahrain, it's right here.
It's only Golden Gate, I can say, and the properties are very premium, including the interiors, the amenity spaces. We are providing more than 72 amenities in this project. We are licensed by RERA of Bahrain, and we are planning to complete the project by middle of 2023. A lot of active interest is there in Granata Group as well as the Golden Gate, and we hope that by the time we complete the project, we'll be setting up the project completely. Thank you very much. I would like to welcome you all to Cityscape 2021 here to explore Granata Group and the Golden Gate project, and we'll be happy to receive you here. At the same time, next year, hopefully we'll have the Cityscape in Bahrain. So we'll welcome you all visitors to Bahrain country as well, whereby you can explore the country as well as our project and be part of it. Thank you.
So guys, if I talk about Cityscape, so next year in Bahrain they are organizing a Cityscape. So please stay tuned. If you are interested to invest in Bahrain or you are a part of Bahrain, please visit. Thank you so much. So guys, moving to the second developer at Bahrain stall. The developer name is GFH. I have Miss Iman with us to explain about the Bahrain development, about GFH development. Ma'am, over to you. Please let us know about the development, what is there and what are the good offers for the Cityscape over here.
Okay. Actually, first of all, I welcome you in our Kingdom of Bahrain Pavilion. And the thing we are offers for all the nationality all around the world. So what you can get in our project, GFH property, these projects are a very high-end project with a VVIP marina. The thing is, it's a project which is ready. So I give you a finance for 5 years, 0 interest. You pay me only 30% and take the property and rent it out. So the rent will pay for you the amount of the flat. If not, you are paying rent to own a property. So this is the opportunity which only 140 units left from 9 towers. So hurry up before I sold them out. So from here where we sign a ceremony, RERA Bahrain have signed with Cityscape to have the honor to invite you all to our first time Cityscape Global Bahrain 2022.
So guys, in Cityscape now I moved on to the Ellington stall, wherein I'm gonna show you a beautiful project over here. So if I talk about this project, it's a beautiful 2 buildings. It's a twin tower, you can say. This is ground plus 12 structure. This building is located in the heart of the city, that is just 7 minutes away from Burj Khalifa in downtown. That is none other than MBR city, Mohammed bin Rashid city. So what is so special about Ellington? Yes, the number one is the quality. The quality of Ellington is the best in the market, one of the best, you can say. Another thing, if you look at the structure, it's only ground plus 12 and there are only 277 apartments. Now another important thing, the third important thing is that check out the gap between both the buildings. It's a 50 meter, almost 50 meter gaps in the building. If there was another developer, they could have easily made one more tower in between, but the Ellington has given this space for the amenity section. They have a swimming pool, kids swimming pool over here, another swimming pool, then gym and some lounge over there. If I talk about the prices, the price starts only from 1.3 million for 1 bedroom apartment. All the studios are sold out, so do not think about it. The most important thing, if I talk about the Cityscape, so what is so special about Cityscape? Yes, the offers. Offers are there on this property. There is a 4% DLD waiver going on only for the Cityscape. This is the best offer. Ellington does not provide you much offers, but when it comes to Cityscape, everyone provides you. So just grab it, meet me at Cityscape stall at Ellington, and then we can show you the property. Thank you. Hi guys, so moving to the next stall, it's Rec Properties now. I'm here with Motesham from Rec Properties. We have a fantastic project over here at Rec Properties stall. Motesham, please help us out and take us through with the project, what project you have and what all offers are going on for the Cityscape.
Assalamu alaikum guys, Muhtasham here from RAK Properties, Ras Al Khaimah. Basically we are discussing about RAK Properties, Ras Al Khaimah. This is our main project, the core project called Mina Al Arab. Yes guys, now we are here at the Cityscape. What are for the Mina Al Arab project, what we are offering now? We are offering a Marbella Villas, which are the ready to move in project, and we are offering a 2 or 3 bedroom townhouses, which under the 10 years payment plan with no bank involvement, so you are not paying any interest, directly between developer. The plan called 1090. 10% is a down payment and remaining 90% you are paying in 10 years payment plan directly with the developer. We have a project starts with 2.1 million and it goes up to 2.6 million for the 2 bedrooms, and for the 3 bedrooms starts with 2.7 million in 10 years payment plan. This offer is only valid for the 3 days, 9, 10th and 11th, only in the Cityscape.
So guys, there is a fantastic payment plan is going on. The offers is going on at Ras Al Khaimah Properties, Rec Properties. You're getting a ready to move townhouses with a 10-year payment plan, wherein you just need to pay 10% for the move-in. That's all. Thank you. Let's move to the next developer.